Welcome to Tech Travelers Hub. Today I have got another update. New system version available. The version improves system stability for a better user experience. OxygenOS OnePlus 9R. Checking for update. Software version V30P01 BRB1 EX01 275.64 megabyte. Notes. Now you can exchange the font size of the body text in notes. Weather. Now you can preview weather information when adding a city in weather. Photos. Now you can zoom in or out in the burst album. Video can now be played in repeat mode. Photos will provide cleanup suggestions that you can delete photos with a tap to free up space. People and other smart albums can now organize photos more accurately. Screenshots. Remove the preview floating window after taking a screenshot to improve the user experience of partial screenshot. System. Improves the system stability. I thought there will be an update of the files application. Sometimes it don't respond. Okay, now I am downloading and installing the updates. Downloading 1.6%, 3%. %, 15.2%, 21.4%. The download speed is not that fast. 99.3% installing. Okay, restart now. I am restarting the phone. After installing the update, phone just restarted. It's not possible now whether there is any changes or not, but I will give an update later if there is any problem. New version installed. OxygenOS OnePlus 9R software version. Okay, taking the screenshot. I don't see any changes. I don't know what is the update. I will upload another video if there is any bug. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.